Good day to all. Welcome to another episode of SG Doctor Wellness. It's Coach Alvin here. Today, I will share with you a very simple and time-saving way to stay physically active. No, it does not involve expensive gym memberships or paying the trip to your nearby fitness station in the park. In fact, for those who reside in high-rise apartments, there is a fantastic fitness equipment that is easily accessible and free to use. And that is the stairs right outside your doorstep. Let us learn more about the benefits of stairs climbing and the proper way to do so. Before we proceed, help us make our channel climb to even greater heights by hitting the subscribe and notification buttons now. Climbing stairs offers numerous benefits that can help you improve your overall health and well-being. First, it burns more calories than regular jogging or brisk walking, making it an efficient way to shed unwanted fats. In fact, climbing stairs is said to burn 2 times more fats than jogging and 3 times more than walking. Furthermore, the stairs are weatherproof, which means you can use them rain or shine. This makes it an excellent fitness option regardless of the weather. In addition to burning fats, climbing stairs tones muscles, especially the lower body. This workout provides an excellent mix of aerobic and anaerobic exercises, making it an excellent way to tone lean muscles. Climbing stairs also improves your core muscles, as it requires balance and coordination to shift your body weight from one limb to another. This workout helps strengthen the core muscles around the abdominal and lower back, which serves as stabilizers for your body. If you want to improve your cardiovascular health, climbing stairs is also an excellent cardio exercise that can strengthen your heart. Moreover, it protects the knees as the upward stairs climbing motion creates less impact on your joints than jogging. If you want to add stair climbing to your workout regimen, here are a few things to keep in mind. First, always engage in upward stairs climbing only. Downward descents take only a fraction of the effort, and there is a higher chance of slip, trips, and falls while descending those steps. Start by making an effort to forgo the lift and climb up to your doorstep as often as possible. If you are tired, take the lift for the remaining journey up. If you stay on lower floors, you can climb up as high as you can and take a lift back down to your level. Remember to try to make this a daily effort. Once you are confident and accustomed, you can try to climb to the highest level and take the lift down, and repeat within a time frame you have set for yourself, which can be 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. However, it is essential to start slow and gradually increase the intensity as you go. Don't push yourself too hard to achieve maximum results in the first few tries. And last but not the least, always seek a certified healthcare professional before starting the regime, especially if you have joint issues. Also, ensure that you wear shoes that do not have worn-out soles to prevent slips and trips. In conclusion, climbing stairs is an excellent and cost-effective way to improve your overall fitness and health. So, take advantage of the stairs right outside your doorstep and make it a part of your daily workout. Thank you for staying till the end of the episode. Till the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to climb to greater heights.